It's closet clean out time, and I'm gonna share with you 5 reasons why I purge my closet every year. So my first big reason this year is body changes. I had my second baby in 2022. I think we all know by now that postpartum body changes are no joke. There's a lot of pieces that I have now that are simply just too big for me because I've lost some of that postpartum weight. My second reason is evolving taste. It doesn't actually really settle into who I am, who I'm trying to be. I don't know, that might sound insignificant. I really do feel that I thrive more when I lean into the things that make me feel the most like myself. It comes from how I present myself and how I want to show up. Number 3, make space for new things. And I feel like this goes hand in hand with being able to get rid of old baggage. And a lot of times that's a mental thing, especially as fashion girlies. You know, we accrue a lot of things. We hold on to it because it's like there might be just a little bit of hoarder in there. I don't know why I don't want to get rid of it. I just know I'm not ready. Sometimes we have to remind ourselves that there's so many more new things and beautiful things to come. Life has its way of blessing us the moment we decide to step forward into a new space. And 4, I need my wardrobe to be fully functional. And by functional, I mean, if I'm not gonna reach for a piece, like, I've had this piece, but it's super hard to style, I don't need it. A question that I get so frequently is, where do you put all your clothes? I get rid of things fairly regularly. I sell most of my stuff on my Poshmark. These were so fun. Oh my gosh, bell bottoms, like these are amazing. My number 5, once I have fulfilled my styling duties over a course of time and like really got my wear out of it, that's when I know it was either money well spent or thank you so-and-so for sending it to me, because she was that girl for a while. I actually don't shop that much. And I've also realized that you just don't need an overabundance of things, and that's what makes being creative with your outfits so fun. Last week I turned a whole necklace into something that looked like a pocket watch chain. Nobody's gonna know. How would they know? I'm a Poshmark girl. I'm still cool Kelsey. So yes, check me out, check me out, check me out. Bye.